The Lion and the Mouse. One day, a lion was enjoying his nap. A mouse was playing nearby and soon began to run up and down on him. The lion woke up with a roar and grabbed the mouse. The mouse begged the lion, "Please let me go. I will save you one day." The lion laughed at the idea and freed the mouse. A few days later, the lion was caught in a hunter's net. He roared in pain. The mouse heard the lion and came to his help. He nibbled the net with his sharp teeth. The lion was soon free from his trap. Moral: kindness is always rewarded.